right, now it is time to learn area of a parallelogram. It's pretty similar to area of a rectangle. It looks like this. Area equals length times height. What does that look like in an actual parallelogram? Well, 9 up here, this is your longest side. That's going to be your length. And the height is not this slanty line over here. That's not it. If you do 9 times 7, that will be wrong, so not that. The height is always going to be perfectly vertical. It's going to be this dashed line in here. So for this problem, you would do 9 times 5, 45. That's your answer. Very simple, right? Now, I want to give you a little bit of intuition about why this makes sense. And you notice that the area for a parallelogram does look a lot like the formula for the area of a rectangle. Area equals length times height, length times width, fairly similar, right? Why is that the case? Well, if we call attention to this triangle that gets created by that dashed line over there, right there, what happens if we take this triangle and sort of scooch it right on over to this sort of a space, like that? We take it away from the left side. Okay, so we took it away from here, we moved it over here. Well, now you have a rectangle, right? It just looks like a rectangle with the long side is 9 and the short side is 5. So, if we clean it up a bit, it looks like that. This, then, is just a rectangle. And so it makes sense that you would do length times width or length times height, right? But you have to find the right height. It's not that slanty height over there. It's this perfectly vertical height, which is going to be the 5. Sometimes it'll be, marked off with a dashed line, but not always. Don't get any kind of like weird one-to-one correlations in your mind. Just figure it out based on very simple, figure out the height, figure out the length. All right, ready, set, practice.